In today's video, I'm about to show you how to integrate Typeform with Calendly. Super easy. So let's just get started with this. First, you need to head over to this integrations option, and there you will be able to realize we have a couple of options. Now, Calendly is one of the most popular integration here. You can click on Calendly and then simply connect it to your account. You can see it is already installed, so that's why it is showing up. I have already done it, and you can use Calendly within your form. Simply click on new form, get started with your form, or simply edit the already existing one. By the way, you can get 16% off onto the pricing and plan on your Typeform subscription plans. So this is something amazing. And here you can see we have a couple of different options showing up in here. If you want to incorporate, you can see we have add content, and here we got different apps available. You can see, just wait for a couple of moments. You can see some of them are available and some of them could be installed, so you can simply get your Calendly integration here from this section. So I hope this helps, and see you guys around in the next video.